What the heck? Well, in this video, I'm going to take you a tour of my house. It's in my owner's room. And we have a new special guest. And also,
It's me, Birthday!
And we're going to be showing you bird facts. You're not the special guest. Special guest is Carmel. She's... Can I tell? Yeah. I'm a song sparrow. Want to hear me? Well, bye. Yes. Now I'm going to be telling you some facts. Common grackle often tag along with red-winged blackbird. Red-winged blackbird come on the screen. Hello. Okay. Next we're going to be talking about... Let's just talk about the black-eared chickadee. While we're here, I saw this sharp-shinned hawk in the tree. Oh, this is the Pennsylvania Field Guidebook.
I'd say.
Sorry for making you wait. If you really want to know, you'd stick along. Here it is. This is a breeding male. Hey, they change colors in different seasons, and they can mimic other birds' voices, including phone ringings, closing doors, and flushing toilets. They can also make this sound. So if you hear that sound and you look in a tree and you just see a tiny bird, that's it. They also make screaming sounds like or other high-pitched screaming noises, or also make sounds of killdeer. If you don't know what killdeer are, a killdeer is a long-legged thing. They live here in Pennsylvania. I took some pictures of them, but I had to delete them so I could make room for this video. Trying to find it in the book, but it just won't pop up. Snoring, snoring. God, it snores, a snore. Well, I couldn't find it right now. Also in this book, you're supposed to check mark off the things you saw. The things I saw: common grackle, herring gull, red-tailed hawk, sharp-shinned hawk, great blue heron, ruby-throated hummingbird, blue jay, killdeer, belted kingfisher, mallard, northern mockingbird, great horned owl, rock pigeon, American robin, American tree sparrow, chipping sparrow, house sparrow, song sparrow, European starling, wild turkey, turkey vulture, red-bellied woodpecker, and house wren. The killdeer is on page 125. Here it is. They usually live in fields, and well, they're breeding here. Oh, by the way, we're writing a book. Bertay's owner is writing one of him.
Not my owner. Somebody else in my owner knows.
But yeah.
And
my owner is writing a story about me too.
Yeah, my owner knows somebody, and
she's publishing.
And he's related to him, and he knows him. Yeah.
Yes. Now,
not me writing.
You get to take a.
Not my own writing. Somebody my owner.
You
knows.
get to take a tour of my house upstairs. Who wants to tag along? I'll do it. Okay. You want to see what we're recording on? We're just recording on this block thing. Oh. Okay. Open the door. Well, this is my house. Right here. You can see inside. First, we got a nice rug. Says my owner actually cut it out of a fabric. And it says, "Welcome, Butto's house." It has a thermometer. And it has, "Please wipe your talons on the mat. Thank you. Please close the door, Dodo."
Me and my building.
Hey! Hey, get away! Okay. You open up with this control pad, and there's a special code right here, so that nobody else can get in. And this is my shed. There's an extra mat in there, and there's a bunch of weird stuff. My pajamas. Turn this on. Boop, 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 boop. So this is my bed. It has springs on it. No, and this is my covers.
Star Wars.
Bling, bling. See, it's bouncy. And my owner sewed up this nice fluffy pillow for me, so I can sleep I don't know how to say it.
Heavenly.
Yep. Red-winged blackbird is here too. Ugh. Oh, we also found something else out.
What'd you find out?
We found out if
That's
you
number 9?
rub this on your neck super
I think
duper
they already know
fast,
that.
it burns you. Watch. My owner do it. It goes super duper hot because it's friction. Sock.
This is my sock.
Oh, I'm going to show you something else too. This guy is named Legendary Bird. You call him Legendary Bird because he's not actually a bird. Hey! Yes. Look.
Show them Sam.
Oh, yeah. We have a frog named Sam. Who wrote that on his tank? He's an albino African frog. And we got him when he was a tadpole. Wait, watch out. He's actually my brother's. He has his little shark thingy.
And his name is Sapphire White now. No.
This is my dead plant. And that's my bamboo stick. Hang me back up.
Ew!
Well, very short episode.
Brandon.
No. Yeah, Red-winged blackbird's actual name is Brandon. Well, Brandon is talking to a bird. I know.
What's going on in your house, huh? Oh.
No. It's ready. What's going on in your house, Okay.
Our house.
I can do your. Yeah, it's just a Mickey cup, and this is a Rubik's Cube that nobody can solve.
Me and my buildings.
No, you don't know! There it goes, folks. Beep. Well, this is my school desk.
Yeah.
It's my computer. Wait, don't go in there.
My computer.
Let's see the function. This is my Lucky Cat. Say hi, Lucky Cat. Hey. Pretty boring out today. Pretty warm. Well, end the video. Bye!